The Glogster portion of the assignment has you creating a simulated student product, an online poster, reflecting on what you as a student learned throughout the course of the lesson. To create your Glogster account, you're going to follow the link in the assignment instructions. When prompted for the school code, enter the one given to you here, and that will take you to your dashboard. Before I show you what the dashboard looks like, I do want to point out that number 9 in the instructions has a link to the tutorial page that we've used for other assignments this semester. If you scroll down, you will see that there is a set of instructions for Glogster. Now, just like other times throughout the semester where we have seen they may not exactly match the way the site looks now, but the assignment instructions are typically close enough that you should be able to figure them out without too much difficulty. So now I'm going to go to the Glogster dashboard, and to get started, I just click Create New Glog. There is a variety of templates that I could choose from, but to keep it simple, I'm going to stick with a blank one. Once I select my background, I am given the toolbox of items that I can use for this project. You'll see that I can add anything from text to graphics. Those are Glogster's version of clip art. Images that I download from an outside source, all the way to audio, video, and other items. I am going to show you just very quickly how to add text. When I click on text, I get every theme that they possibly could have on here. And so I can select maybe something from one of those for my text item, or I can select a plain text box as you saw when I first clicked on the text option. To add the text, I double click inside of the box. I'm going to highlight and delete the text that's in there, and I'm going to type my first sentence here. Once I'm finished, I just click outside of that box, and then I can resize that object. I can move it where I need to on the background. I can even tilt it a little bit if I like. The next thing I'm going to do is add an image, and as I mouse over the different icons at the top, I can see that the star is the graphics icon, so I can click there, and let's say my lesson I selected has to do with ecology. I click on that topic, and it's going to give me several different options. If there's one that I like there, I go ahead and click on it, and then click Add Graphic, and it puts it on to my poster. Again, I can use the handles to resize. I can turn things as needed. There are several different options, and you just have to do some exploring. So once I have gone through and added my sentences, I've added the images. Don't forget to add a title and your name, because if you are the student, you want to make sure you title and put your name on it. Then I'm going to go up to the top, and I'm going to click the X. When I do that, it asks me, are you sure you want to exit? And at this point I am, because I have finished my poster. So I'm going to click the middle button that says Save and Options. I need to name my glog, so I'm just going to call it Glogster Project here. And if there is an option to select Public as the status, click that to make sure that I am able to see it for grading purposes, and then click Save. Once you do that, you'll be given the URL for your poster. you need to copy that URL and paste it into the evaluation tools template as well as onto the evaluate page of your ePortfolio for this assignment.